Here's some 80/20 3D printed 80/20. So you got the little slots there, and then you got the tops. And those little pins are the connectors. They go inside the little squares in the middle. It prints 2 of the 80/20 pieces, 4 inches tall when it's done, and then 2 pins. And the black stuff on there is ABS and acetone, and it actually is holding it really good now. I tried it one before and it knocked them over by the time they even got this high. So instead of having to buy 80/20, the aluminum extrusion, you can go to Thingiverse, look up 80/20, and you can find the files I posted up there. You can just print it out instead of having to buy it. So hopefully, this is the test. It'll work. Seems to be working pretty good. Alright.